Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, Warren County Family and Consumer Sciences Agent. And today we're going to be talking about something that might benefit many of us during this time. According to the National Sleep Foundation, skimping on sleep could adversely affect your immune system, leaving you more susceptible to illness. So today we're going to discuss the benefits of sleep, how much sleep we should be getting, and tips for a better sleep routine. A good night's sleep is as important as physical activity or healthy eating. Sleep impacts how we think, perform, learn, remember, and feel, all while we're awake. Sleep allows us to relax, restore, and revitalize our minds and our bodies every night. And we actually spend a third of our lives in sleep. That's a lot. According to the National Sleep Foundation, these are the sleep time recommendations. Adults 65 years and older need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Adults ages 18 to 64, 7 to 9 hours each night. Teenagers ages 14 to 17, 8 to 10 hours. School-aged children ages 6 to 13 need 9 to 11 hours. Preschoolers ages 3 to 5 need 10 to 13 hours. Toddlers 1 to 2 years old, 11 to 14 hours. Infants 4 to 11 months, 12 to 15 hours. And lastly, newborns between the ages of 0 and 3 months need 14 to 17 hours each day. But let's focus on adults. Adults are recommended between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, but many are not getting this. Centers for Disease Control data show that Kentucky consistently ranks as one of the most sleep-deprived states in the country. Nearly 30% of adults report averaging less than 6 hours of sleep each night. So what happens when we don't get enough sleep? People who aren't getting enough good quality sleep are more likely to suffer from health complications such as high blood pressure, diabetes, depression. They also have an increased risk of cancer, infectious diseases, increased mortality, reduced quality of life and productivity. They also have an increased risk of obesity. Even if they generally eat a healthy diet and exercise daily, they're still at risk for weight gain. When we are tired or sleep deprived, we tend to reach and restore our energy by reaching for high carbohydrate foods, typically junk food. So what happens during sleep? Deep sleep is pretty amazing. Our muscles are relaxed, our blood pressure drops, pulse and breathing slow down. Our digestion and metabolism are slowed for physical repair. The brain uses this time to flush away any toxic products that we might be having. So how can we improve our sleep? One way is to create a better sleep schedule. It's important for our bodies to fall asleep and wake at the same time each night. We also want to avoid caffeinated beverages, alcohol, or large meals before bedtime. We also want to try and create a calm sleep routine by reading a book, taking a bath, and putting away our electronic devices. Electronic devices are very stimulating and can disrupt the release of melatonin. Our bedroom should be a cool, dark place where we look forward to going. So during this time, we encourage you to make sure that you're getting the right recommended amount of sleep. It's a busy time, we have busy lifestyles, but it's important to care for our bodies and to take care of them. As always, if you have any questions, contact your local extension office. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day.